This is question number 8, saying that Sasha is buying paint for a design on a wall. Here's part of the design. Sasha says figure B will need more paint than figure A. Do you agree? So I have two areas that she's going to be designing. I have figure B here and figure A. So it looks like I have a rectangle in A and I have a parallelogram in B. And what information have they given us here? Well, let's actually draw them out here separately so I can have them off to the side. That didn't exactly work. I'm trying to use my special shape recognition tool here. There we go. Let's try this one over here. There we go. Kind of so worked. All right, so let's separate it out. So we've got A and we've got B. So for A, we have a base of 1 meter. For B, we also have a base of 1 meter. So far, so good. What's the height? Well, we don't know here. It hasn't told us what the height is. But also, if we look at heights for the parallelogram, this would be our height. That's actually going to be the same height as our rectangle. So if we do area for a rectangle is base times height, or length times width. And so area of, let's say, A, I'm going to write little a here. And then area of B, actually, let's change that because technically it's length times width. But you know what? I'm going to write base times height because actually this is on a wall, so base times height works. Area of section B is also base times height. And let's see what we know. So for A, our base is 1. So 1 meter times our height, which is h. So it's 1 h. Whatever, 1 times h. Whatever, we could say 1 times h. Whatever h is, we're going to multiply that by 1. And that actually means the area is just h. Centimeters, meters squared. Because 1 times h is the same as h. So h meters squared. Whatever number h is. If h is 10, it's 10 meters squared. Well, let's look at B. The base of B, we figured out, was also 1 meter. And the height is also going to be h. So it's 1 times h. So it's h, again, meters squared. So it's the same. These areas are actually the same. And this is what we showed in the previous videos, that if my base and height are the same, I can draw any parallelogram. Oops, keeps losing the tool. I can draw any parallelogram, and they're going to have the same area. So I've just drawn another one with a height of h. This also has a height of h, unknown value of h, and a base of 1. So all of these actually would be the same area, and the area is the area that we are buying paint for. So she is incorrect, and I disagree with what Sasha is saying.